Good evening and welcome to our Wednesday night video from Park Street Christian Church here in El Dorado Springs, Missouri on the 22nd of September, the first day of fall, 2021. My name is Steve Altide. I want to share briefly tonight with you. Thanks for inviting me into your home or office this evening. A friend of mine, former schoolmate of mine, Barry Cameron, wrote in his blog recently, "Who wants to live forever?" And he says, "I recently saw an intriguing article on Twitter from the MIT Technology Review. No, I'm not a subscriber or a regular reader, but I couldn't ignore the headline. Meet Altos Labs, Silicon Valley's latest wild bet on living forever." And another headline in a related article said, "First space, now immortality. Jeff Bezos reportedly invests in an eternal life startup." And then the question was asked in the tweet, what if someone discovered a way you could live forever? Would you be interested? So Barry writes, I had to click on the MIT Technology Review tweet, and here's a portion of what I read. Last October, a large group of scientists made their way to Yuri Milner's super mansion in the Los Altos Hills above Palo Alto, California. They were tested for COVID-19, wore masks as they assembled in a theater on the property for a 2-day scientific conference. Others joined by teleconference. The topic, how biotechnology might be used to make people younger. Milner is a Russian-born billionaire who made a fortune on Facebook and Mail.ru and previously started the glitzy Black Tie Breakthrough Prizes, a $3 million award given each year to outstanding physicists, biologists, and mathematicians. But Milner's enthusiasm for science was taking a provocative and specific new direction. As the scientific sessions progressed, experts took the stage to describe a radical attempt at rejuvenating animals. That meeting has now led to the formation of an ambitious new anti-aging company called Altos Labs, according to people familiar with the plans. Altos is pursuing biological reprogramming technology, a way to rejuvenate cells in the lab that some scientists think could be extended to revitalize entire animal bodies and ultimately prolonging human life. Altos Labs has already raised close to $300 million for the project, which will seek to discover if biological reprogramming technology could revitalize animals and ultimately help to prolong human life. Not only is billionaire Yuri Milner an investor in this life-changing project, but it's been reported that the richest man in the world, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, is also involved. A Spanish scientist, Carlos Pizua, is also believed to be joining the project and has already been working with mice with promising results, the article says. Sky News reported that he had achieved signs of age reversal with mice, which led him to term reprogramming a potential elixir of life. Carlos has predicted it is possible to lengthen human lifespans by at least 50 years. And the article went on to say, the results of such mouse experiments, while tantalizing, were also frightening. Depending on how much reprogramming occurred, some mice developed ugly embryonic tumors called teratomas, even as others showed signs their tissues had become younger. Altos Labs is not the first to look at the possibilities of reprogramming technology. There's another in the UK called Shift Bioscience and Calico Labs in San Francisco, California, founded in 2013 by Google co-founder Larry Page. The MIT article included this revealing statement. It's been said that young people dream of being rich and rich people dream of being young. That paradox is one that people like Milner, age 59, and Bezos, age 57, may feel acutely. Forbes recently ranked Bezos as the world's richest person with a net worth of around $200 billion. Billion with a B. Milner's worth is estimated at $4.8 billion. Fascinating, intriguing, remarkable, promising. What other words would you use? Who wouldn't want to live forever? And then my acquaintance and friend Barry Cameron says, count me in. I wouldn't want to live forever that way. He says, but I'm not putting my hopes in reprogramming technology, as promising as it might seem to some. There's a better way, and it's free. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Who wants to live forever that way, eternally? Count me in. Have a blessed night.